Hey everybody, Bjorn with Hewitt Jackson Real Estate here again, and today is part 2 of a 4-part series on the home buying process, what you need to do to get that moving in the right direction. If you haven't watched part 1, make sure you go back and do that, but that also means that you haven't followed or subscribed, so hit that button below. And as always, the comments are open. Step number 2 in the home buying process, if you remember, step number 1 is to find a realtor that you know, you like, you trust. Give old Bjorn a chance to earn your business. Step number 2, you got to figure out kind of your budget, your finances, so to speak. Next video, we'll talk about the pre-approval thing, but in this step, you need to figure out your monthly debt, your monthly expenses, that kind of stuff. Also calculating in things like closing costs and start to get a little bit of a nest egg built. That will give you a good idea of how much you can afford to spend, all right? And in a lot of cases, if you're renting right now, guess what? Your housing payment might be less, sometimes considerably less, than your house payment will be and your building equity. But I digress. So step number 2, start to get your financial stuff in order, figure out your monthly expenses, what that's going to look like, and it's going to help guide you in the right direction. I'll be back real soon with step number 3 that I think is very important.